Hello everyone, updating this. Everything on the bottom is done. Um, Half the top, 3/4 of the top's done. The oil coolant lines are in. I don't care who says what, you cannot sneak it through there in a 4-wheel drive. We end up lowering the front diff. Just enough to sneak the lines through, but that's what we had to do. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. There was no other easier way to do it. This will be getting finished up probably Wednesday. Getting the computer programmed for the DoD delete. We'll head out here. Get the air mattresses pumped up for a camping trip that's coming up. There's some of my fishing rods, a couple of Mad Cats. I think we got 4 Mad Cat rods, some Penn 6000 reels. My wife has the 808 saltwater reels when we go catfishing. That's a couple. I'll show you the progress we've been doing around the farm. It's been a busy time, putting whipping on me. Yeah, people say that I should have done already, and I should have, of the engine. But I'm not just a mechanic or just a garage. I'm a homesteading place that does auto repair. I also get people say, well, I figured you have more tools than that. I don't buy tools just to have them. I buy tools to use them. My garage is not a show garage. My garage is a working garage. If I don't have a use for that tool, I don't buy it. And yes, I do giveaways. These are the tomatoes. These are the midnight snacks. They are the early girls. These are my better beefs. But anyway, as I was saying, I do giveaways. I got one for 500, and it's not that I bought a tool for somebody that, for giveaway. I have a tool that I don't use. I don't like it. I'm not comfortable with it. You may be fine with it. I'm just not. So if I have a tool that I'm not going to use, I'll do a giveaway. I have a bunch of vintage Craftsman that I've owned for years. I pick up at yard sales, whatever it is. That stuff we're going to give away because I don't use it. And I don't have a space, and I don't have a show garage. I have a working garage. Here's one of my potato beds. Here's another potato bed. These are peppers, sweet peppers. Here's some more sweet peppers over there. These are jalapenos here. These beds here are my green beans. Down there's my watermelon. These are my onions. All through there. We started getting the gate up. We got a bunch of posts to do. This is all asphalt, people, right there. So it's a pain in the ass. We got that gate up there. That fencing's up there. That's what's left out of our mulch pile or compost pile. And I showed you guys videos in that beginning. It was much bigger. And I haul everything with buckets from there to there. We have 2 more going there. 1 more going here, I think. And then our cucumber trellis will be going here on an angle. We got that cut down over there. But that's where we're at. Yeah, I want to touch bases with you on that, I got people who thank me for being an actual working garage, not one of those show and, sponsor tools and whatever. My tools get used every day. And if I don't use the tool, I don't keep the tool. And that's where you guys come in. There is tools that I don't use. Simple. It could be I just don't like the feel of them, or that I have too many of them from picking up at yard sales. I'll buy a box of stuff at a yard sale. You get firewood split. But if I buy a box of tools at a yard sale just for a set price, when I go home, I go through it, and some stuff will get put in the giveaway piles. I gave my kids, they all have toolboxes, the older ones. And so they've already got theirs. Ooh. Got the wood stove going today because it's cold and damp. More damp than cold. But, yeah, just where we're at on this thing. Today's going to be an easy day for me, Sunday. My back has been beat up for days. Trying to get stuff done. I can't go full board like I used to. I don't want to. Yesterday was a long, long day, and I started at 6 a.m. and I guess I ended about 9 p.m. Did a little fishing last night, catfishing. I didn't catch nothing. I don't think any of us caught anything, but it's still fun going out. I support the local bait and tackle shop. That's where I get all my fishing rods from, or the newer ones. I do got some Walmart rods and stuff like that, Shakespeare's, whatnot. But isn't that a gorgeous rod right there with red, white, and blue? That's the Mad Cat Patriot model. Just gorgeous. Medium heavy. That is the signature Mad Cat. Then that's the Glacier, and I'm not too sure what her other model is. But yeah, support the locals. Mad Cat's the local, North Carolina. Hellcat's local, North Carolina. And that's the people I started supporting for the whole fishing equipment because they're locals. My local bait and tackle shop is just over the mountain. I support him. But I figured I'd give you an update on everything, where we're at. If I get the back to loosen up a little bit today, then I may do a little work on this, but I just don't see loosening it up. Like I said, Wednesday we'll get it all buttoned up, get it programmed, get it washed for the customer, get it all cleaned up, and we're gonna wash the outside of it for the customer. I'm going to fix these little pieces of rubber around the ass end for the customer. They hang out over here at the, it's the other side. Oh, no, it's right there in the front. That there, I'll go ahead and fix that for the customer. That way, it looks good for them. Or her in this case. And she can roll with it. But we used the hell out of that big ratchet yesterday. That's the custom one I built. It works flawless. You can crank down 200 pounds of torque on that thing like it's nothing. And it's just an awesome rod. I put that grate up there yesterday morning. That way I can get into that wall without struggling. I'm going to take some pool noodles, wrap the corners with it. And I got some 1/2 inch insulation, the panels. I'm going to put on the bottom of that way we don't smack our heads on it and cut ourselves wide open, because it's only about 5-6 off the ground. Just high enough to hurt you when you stand, go smacking your head up too fast. But yeah, folks, that's where we're at. I want everybody to have a great day. Thanks for all the everyone's watching. Thanks to my viewers. You guys are great. We're almost at 300 subs. Thank you guys very much. We're averaging, I don't know, I guess I think it was just over 1,000 hits a day between all videos. Again, that's all you guys, and I just appreciate it. You know, even without the camera in my hand, I'll still be doing the same thing in here. So I figured I'd try to record it, and that's where you guys come in and just help out. I still don't know who sent me the Titan hose pliers, but again, thank you. They were used yesterday. I know I'm blabbing at this point, but I just want to thank you guys very much. You guys are awesome. Have a great day.